Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my January Loot Crate unboxing. You might be wondering why I'm doing a January unboxing in March. Well, that's because the box has only just come. I'm sure a lot of other subscribers were quite annoyed by the fact that they just kept sending emails saying, oh, it's delayed, being kind of vague, and they said it would arrive mid-February, I think, and then mine arrived today, which is the 1st of March. So, I mean, this is the January box. It's not really okay, but I'm very excited, and that should mean, hopefully, as we're supposed to get a March box, that we only have to wait like 2 weeks for the next box. But I just have a horrible feeling that it's going to be like a knock-on effect, and this and March's box is going to be delayed as well, but hopefully not. But the box before that, the November box, that was delayed as well, so things aren't going so well with that. But I am very excited to open it. I was kind of surprised that this month's box is quite small. It's a lot smaller than the other boxes I've received, and this is very small in comparison, but it is quite weighty, so hopefully there'll be some good stuff in here. So this month's theme was magical must-haves, I believe. I think that's what it was. And then so January's theme was magical must-haves, I think. And this month's theme is the ties that bind us, or it could be the other way around. Because it's been so long, it's hard to keep track. But as always, we've got the little sticker sealing the box, and this month's is really, really cute. I think I'm gonna have to try and peel it off very gently so I can keep it, because oh, it just gets me. I've peeled my address off, as you can see, but it's a little thing with wands on it, like a cross thing with wands, and then it says until the very end. Maybe it's the ties that bind us then, that would fit. We sort of got it. Sort of. Let us see what is it. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Maybe it is the ties that bind us then. I can't remember. But the inside of the box, as always, has a design on it based around the theme. And this month we have the clock from the Weasley's kitchen, which says, it's got the names of all of the members of the family, and then it says where they are: school, garden, lost, home, mortal peril. Oh, this must be. Oh, so this is quite, whoa, okay. There is a lot less in this box, which is already kind of irritating me. But this looks cool. This is the Black's family tree. Ooh. Is it a scarf? Ooh, that is soft. Ooh. Wow, that is huge. We might have to hang it on the wall. Or you could even put it like over a table. But this is, can you see that? And is that Sirius? The one that's been blotted out? Or is that someone else? Someone else. And I'm holding it upside down. So there's the Black's family tree, which is on the wall of his family home as a tapestry, and I actually saw they've got it hanging in the studio. If you've ever been to the Warner Brothers studio tour, they've got it hanging on the wall there. But it is huge, and that is really cool. Ooh. And then we have a Gryffindor tie tie. I have actually been wanting like a proper Gryffindor uniform for ages. Yes, it's a Gryffindor school tie. I assume based on, because when you subscribe you put what house you're in. I assume there's different ones for each of the houses. But I'm a Gryffindor, so I have a Gryffindor one, and it's got a little lion on it. And then we have, from the films of Harry Potter, the Wand Collection, which is a book with all the different wands from all of the different characters, and a little bit about each of the characters and their wands, which is pretty cool. I will say, I mean, this has Loot Crate edition on the back, but I know that I've seen this in Asda, and I actually very nearly bought it around Christmas time. So I know you can get this in Asda, which is a little bit disappointing, because usually the stuff in the Loot Crates are things you can't get anywhere else. So that's a little bit, I mean, I love the book and it is something I've been wanting, but I could have just got it in Asda, so yeah. And then the last thing is the pin. So there is only 4 items in here, which is kind of disappointing considering we've been waiting for it for so long. And it costs 40, I think when I signed up, I think I'm paying £40.99 for each box. And normally I'm fine with that, normally I feel like I'm getting my money's worth, but with this, I just don't feel like there's £40 worth of goods here. But let's move on to the pin, which, as I said, is my favourite part of every box. Continuing on with the Horcrux theme, as all the other ones have been Horcruxes, we have Rowena Ravenclaw's diadem, which is absolutely stunning. I kind of want to wear this. I'm always scared to wear them because I really don't want to lose them, but I'd love to wear this one with a collared shirt, just like in the middle. I think that would look really pretty. That is stunning. So let's have a little read of the thing. Oh, okay, so it is the ties that bind us. So it says on your little leaflet, the ties that bind. And no matter the bloodline, family ties run deep in the wizarding world. With this crate, explore some of the heirlooms and traditions passed through generations, connecting people together or sometimes driving them apart. I get, like, the scarf, definitely, or like wall hanging, whatever you want to use it for, that definitely fits in with that, but I just don't feel like, obviously the Horcrux does, but the one book, I don't feel that that's really in fitting with it. I feel a bit disappointed, if I'm honest. Possibly if it had arrived on time, I wouldn't have been quite so disappointed, but I think because we've been waiting for so long for this box, I do feel a bit let down, considering there's only 4 items in there, and one of those is something I can get at Asda. And I mean, this kind of, like, this is a Loot Crate exclusive scarf, and it is very high quality, but it's not like you can't get Gryffindor scarves anywhere else. Like, I could have got one from the studio tour many times, but, and I'd like to know exactly what makes the wand, because it says in this Loot Crate edition wand book, I'd like to know what makes this one different to any other one. I don't know. I absolutely love the pin, then I always love the pins. In terms of the rest, like, I just feel really kind of let down with this box. Like, considering the box itself has got like the Weasley clock thing on it, it would have been nice to see something more like an item, I don't know, that is part of like the Weasley family and their traditions and things. That would have been nice. Like, I don't know. I love this scarf, and I'm not gonna unsubscribe just from one kind of, not a bad box, but one that isn't as good as, it's quite clearly not as good as the rest that I've received. But I still enjoy getting the box. I'm gonna see what this month's brings, but if it is delayed again by like a lot, I don't know, I would kind of be tempted to unsubscribe, because there are other Harry Potter based subscription boxes out there, like the Geek Gear one, and I don't know, I just feel, considering we waited like over 2 months, it just doesn't feel like it was worth it. I don't know. Let me know if you're subscribed to this box, what you thought of this month's edition, and whether I'm just, maybe I just overhyped it in my head because I had been waiting so long, but I don't know. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!